As technology continues to expand, so does the opportunities to earn income online. I want to share the top 7 methods for making money online using your phone in 2023. I will explain why these methods are worth considering, how to get started, and tips for success in each one. These opportunities are easily accessible at your fingertips. Now, the first way to start making money online in 2023 is YouTube Shorts. As one of the major platforms for earning income online, YouTube is a great place to start and has the potential to bring you a substantial amount of money. As you might already know, YouTube Shorts already got officially monetized in the beginning of February. And with all these AI softwares like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other programs, it's never been easier to make content. You can literally ask ChatGPT to give you video topics. You can even ask to write a script for you. And for Midjourney, you can use it to make the thumbnails of your videos. To be successful on YouTube, it's crucial to start by identifying your niche. This will help you create content that appeals to your target audience and generate more views. Remember, some content is better than no content, so don't be discouraged if your videos aren't perfect from the start. Focus on putting your best effort into the production and editing of your videos and just post them. Additionally, understanding the basics of search engine optimization (SEO) is crucial. YouTube is considered a search engine, so make sure you understand which keywords you need to rank for based on data. To do this, you're going to use TubeBuddy. This tool will help you find the best keywords for your channel, help you generate the best thumbnail, can help you with A/B tests, and a lot more. If you start a YouTube channel, you need to use this tool. I'm going to leave the link on the description so you can start using for free. This will help you get your videos suggested to the right audience and increase your views. Also, I have other videos on this channel showing you how you can build step by step a YouTube channel and make money with it. Now, heading to the next way that you could be making money online is actually copywriting, a field that has been around for years and is a great way to make money online. The best part is that you don't need a degree for it. In fact, many copywriters make more money than professionals in other fields. The reason for this is that copywriting is something that more companies and individuals require than most people think. It is an essential part of marketing and communication, which explains why you get paid for it. If you have a passion for writing or are skilled at communicating with people, why not turn it into a profitable business? Platforms like Upwork offer opportunities for freelancers to sell their writing services. You can make top dollar for creating various types of content, such as scripts, blogs, SEO related material. The comfort of your own home can be your office, and you can work on your own time. Key to success in these fields including identifying your writing strengths, such as SEO or persuasive copy, and creating a portfolio to showcase your abilities. This will help you understand how your strengths can sell to companies. Knowing the type of writing you enjoy is also crucial. It's simple. If you enjoy what you do, you benefit from it a lot longer than if you were forced to do something you don't like. Every business requires copywriting services, which is why you'll always be in demand. Copywriting is everything in this day and age. Copy is how you persuade customers to buy. If you can use your copy and help clients to get more sales, this can be a way to make a lot of money online. As a copywriter, it's all about how you market yourself on the platforms where you sell your services. You need to be able to differentiate yourself from others and highlight what makes you unique. The next way you can start earning is by starting an e-commerce business. It's one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for a good reason. It is a low-cost option compared to a physical business, making it an accessible option for many aspiring entrepreneurs. With a drop shipping business, you can get started with as little as $500, whereas an actual retail store quickly costs a minimum of $10,000. This makes it possible for more people to start their own business and take control of their financial future. One of the biggest advantages of an e-commerce business is that it can be automated. This means that once you set up your business and start generating sales, it continues to make money for you without requiring much of your own time. By using tools and strategies to automate your business, you can focus on other things in your life while you're generating income. Selling products through social media can generate substantial income. By By advertising platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you can start generating traffic to your e-commerce store and start making sales. It's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and products that the people are interested in buying. By understanding what customers want, you can shape your offers to meet their needs and increase your chances of making a sale. To ensure your success with an e-commerce business, it's recommended you to find a mentor who can teach you the strategies and help you avoid making simple mistakes that could cost you money. Mentors can provide valuable insights and advice on how you can grow your business and make the most out of your resources. You can also join online communities and forums to connect with other entrepreneurs. And to help you with that, I'm going to offer a free cheat sheet. The link will be down below with strategies and tips to help you start with dropshipping. Being consistent is also the key to success. Many people give up on their e-commerce business because they don't see immediate results. However, building a successful business takes time and effort. You need to be dedicated and patient to grow your business, but maybe owning your very own e-commerce business is not for you. Now don't worry, there's still plenty of other ways that you can start making money. And before we head to the next one, if you want to keep learning new ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting 2 videos every week showing you guys different methods of how to make money online. Other popular way to make money online in 2023 is through affiliate marketing. This tactic allows you to use your own channels such as YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram to promote someone else's product. You get paid for promoting the product, and also you receive a cut of some of the sales that you made with your promotion link. What is great about affiliate marketing is that pretty much anyone can do it. Even micro-influencers with over 1,000 followers but less than 100,000 followers. Big name brands are now starting to work more with micro-influencers, meaning that it's easier for those with smaller followings to get involved. If you think this is for you, you can start reaching out to brands that you want to work with or apply on their affiliate sites. Don't worry if you're not sure how to do this. Many brands that you would want to work with have portals for you to start your application process to become an affiliate for them. When getting started with affiliate marketing, it's important to know what type of brand you want to work with. Depending on the type of brand, the same type of content should be put on your socials beforehand so that they know that you are actually aligned with the niche that they are looking for. For example, if you want to work with a fashion brand, then you should start doing closing reviews or unboxing videos, publishing them to your channels before applying for their affiliates. Knowing your worth is also important when it comes to this. Bigger companies may try to pay you less or have you promoted for free. It's important to know the worth of your content and always negotiate. By doing this, you can ensure that you're gonna get paid fairly for your work, which takes me to the next suggestion for making money online in 2023, which is online tutoring or teaching. This is a great way to make money online by utilizing your expertise and knowledge in a particular subject. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor or teacher on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. They provide a marketplace for educators to sell their services and reach a global audience. It can be from teaching someone how to cook to teaching them a new language. To succeed as an online tutor, you need to have an excellent communication skills, a passion for teaching, and a deep understanding of your subject matter. The advantage of online tutoring and teaching includes the ability to work from the comfort of your home, flexible hours, and the potential to earn high hourly rates. Now, our final way that you could be making money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. This job can replace your 9-to-5 job and earn you 6 figures easily if done right. A VA is someone who provides administrative and social media work to companies that need extra help with organization and promotion. There are a ton of companies in the need of help. If you can be the one who solves their problems, this means that there's plenty of money in the table for you to make. As a VA, you can put a price on your service and work with multiple clients at the same time, generating a full-time income from the comfort of your home. However, to get started, you need to know exactly how your service will save companies time and money. It's important to understand that clients only care about what they'll benefit from it if they hire you. So it's crucial to clearly communicate what you'll be providing and how you're gonna be an asset to them. The good news is that there are many companies that need a virtual assistant, which means that there's a high demand for this job. In fact, many companies are looking for people like you to help them solve their problems. This also means that there are a variety of companies companies to choose from, so you can find a company that matches your interests and skills. Moreover, there are several benefits from becoming a VA. You have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and create your own schedule. You also have the opportunity to work with a range of clients and gain experience in the different industries. Additionally, since you'll be working remotely, you won't have to worry about commuting, so you save time and money. To become a successful VA, you need to learn and master the necessary skills. You need to be proficient in using social media platforms, managing emails, and scheduling appointments. You also need to have an excellent communication skills and be able to multitask effectively. Now that you know the 7 best ways to make money online in 2023, it's up to you to take advantage of them. So start right now, click on this video here and learn how you can make money from YouTube.